Mangifunda incwadi uPsalm 23 siyamfunda sonke. Ithi incwadi yakhona uJehova ngumalosi wami. Mawufunda uverse 6 ngeversion yeimage. Ithi his beauty and his love, they chase after me every day of my life. Meaning elesizulu amaweke ukuthi lezulu lithi yangilandela. Umuntu okulandela umuntu ohamba so. Imagine makuthiwa lo luthando liyakuchase, liyakugijimisa. Meaning likugijimisa even if you're not running from it, but liyakugijimisa. Even if you're sleeping, liyakugijimisa. That's this kind uNkulunkulu asithande ngayo. Glory be to the name that is above all names. Romans chapter 5 ukhuluma same thing. Ngizama ukuveza lento ukuthi uphuma la wazi ukuthi lo uNkulunkulu akafananga wakuthanda for the sake yokukuthanda, ukuthande highly. Simele ukuthi sideserve ezinye izinto, especially ekukholweni. Simele ukudeserve izinto. Why can't you just accept uNkulunkulu ukuphile this thing? Accept it, ithathe. Whether you deserve it or whether you feel you deserve it or not. Mina abazalwana personally nginalento, there's nothing enginayo or engiyoke ngibe nayo that I deserve. I don't deserve la ngikhona, I don't deserve umsebenzi engikuwo, I don't deserve unkosikazi engihlala naye, I don't deserve the kids enginazo. I deserve nothing bazalwane. Everything that I've got is because of his grace. Everything that I've got is because of this great love. Glory be to Jesus.